Hey gang, it's Amy here with another Imperfect Foods unboxing. Imperfect Foods takes the stuff that's not perfect for the grocery store and makes it available for you to buy and have delivered to your house. And if you want $10 off your first box, leave me a comment. I'll get you a code, get you started, help you reduce some food waste. Did you know that 40% of the food in the U.S. goes uneaten? Yeah. $218 billion in food is thrown away every year, and this helps lower that. Oh, also 20 billion pounds of fresh produce goes unharvested or unsold. But we can reduce that number with Imperfect. So let's see what's in the box. Kale. Yes, I'm almost always getting kale. I like to cook it up. I like to put it in soup. Make a stew with some beans. Salad. Always great. Some bell peppers. Some olive oil. This seriously is some of the best olive oil. If you cannot get the Trader Joe's olive oil, this is only like $1 or $2 more, and it's about the same amount. It's incredible. Let's see. Carrots, also great for stews now that it's getting cold, at least where I am. Sweet potatoes. It's starting to get into the holiday season. I decided to get a pomegranate. Pomegranate's really good. Put it on toast, a little peanut butter, a little honey. Excellent. And we got some small red potatoes. Again, soup, mash them, make a stew. We have some Brussels sprouts. And then we get into kind of cool stuff. I got some local honey. This is local Chicago honey. Well, local Illinois. Oh, it's actually Chicago. This is right there. Chicago product. Cannot wait to try it in my tea. It says it's delicious with tea, salad, cheese, toast, oatmeal, biscuits, yogurt, pancakes, waffles, smoothies, and ice cream. We're going to be drinking it mostly in tea. Then we got these chicken chunks. I love these. I like to just cook them up in my air fryer with a little hot sauce. Make a meal. Throw them in with pasta. And that is my Imperfect Foods for the next 2 weeks. If you want to join the little food revolution here, leave a comment. $10 off your first box. And also, don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and follow me on YouTube as well. See you later. Keep cooking ugly and imperfect.